In the world of photography, having the right tool can make all the difference. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or stunning landscapes, the camera you choose is key. Today, we're diving deep into the Olympus OM-D E-M1X, a powerhouse built for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With a rugged design, advanced stabilization, and pro-level features, the E-M1X is more than just a camera. It's an extension of your creative vision. Designed to meet the demands of even the most challenging environments, the E-M1X is a mirrorless camera that promises to redefine what's possible. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First impressions, this thing feels solid. Weighing in at just over 1 kilogram, the E-M1X is built like a tank. But don't let the weight fool you. Thanks to Olympus's ergonomic design, it's comfortable to hold for long periods, and the dual grip system is perfect for both landscape and portrait orientations. What sets the E-M1X apart is its attention to detail when it comes to handling. Every button, every dial is placed exactly where it should be, making it intuitive for seasoned photographers. This camera was designed with professionals in mind, and it shows. Now, let's talk about the heart of this camera, the 20.4 megapixel Live MOS sensor. Combined with the TruePic VIII dual processors, the E-M1X delivers images with incredible clarity, even in low light. But it doesn't stop there. One of the standout features of this camera is its industry-leading 5-axis in-body image stabilization. This stabilization is no joke. Whether you're shooting handheld or in tricky conditions, the E-M1X ensures that your shots remain crisp and free from blur. And when paired with Olympus's line of high-quality lenses, it's a match made in heaven for photographers and videographers alike. Wildlife photographers, listen up. The E-M1X features a cutting-edge autofocus system with 121 all-cross-type phase detection points. It's fast, it's precise, and it tracks moving subjects like a dream. I've been testing it with birds, and the results have been nothing short of impressive. The subject tracking technology, combined with the autofocus, makes this camera ideal for sports and wildlife photography. Whether it's capturing a bird in mid-flight or a fast-moving car on the track, the E-M1X delivers in spades. Low-light performance is another area where the Olympus OM-D E-M1X shines. Thanks to its advanced noise reduction algorithms, the camera produces clean images even when shooting at higher ISO settings. For night photographers, this is a huge plus. But the E-M1X isn't just about stills, it's also a powerhouse when it comes to video. The camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, and the 5-axis stabilization makes handheld shooting a breeze. For videographers, the E-M1X offers flexibility with its high-resolution video output and customizable settings. Whether you're shooting run-and-gun style or setting up for a more cinematic look, this camera adapts to your needs. Of course, no camera is perfect. One thing to keep in mind is that the E-M1X's size and weight may not be for everyone. It's heavier than most mirrorless cameras, and if you're used to something more compact, there's a bit of an adjustment. However, that weight comes with a purpose: durability. This camera is dustproof, splashproof, and freezeproof, meaning you can take it into harsh environments without worry. Whether you're shooting in the rain, snow, or extreme cold, the Olympus OM-D E-M1X is built to withstand the elements, making it the perfect companion for adventure and outdoor photography. So, who is the Olympus OM-D E-M1X for? If you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast who demands reliability, precision, and ruggedness, this camera is definitely worth considering. From its pro-level features to its durable design, the E-M1X stands out as one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras on the market. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, superb image quality, and robust build, the Olympus OM-D E-M1X isn't just a tool, it's an investment in your craft. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world of photography gear. See you in the next video.